Getting ready to get started. Ronnie's firing her up. Do some skid steer work, build some food plots back here in these woods. Well, we're just finishing up, and this is the end result. We'll let this go fallow for about a month, then come back in and disc it. We built about 3 acres of food plots and a little over a mile of road since yesterday at noon, and we're just finishing up now. But you can see what the woods looked like when we started. Can't barely walk through there. No daylight for sure. And we'll come in here and chainsaw some of the bigger stuff we can't get out. But this is 99% done. We'll turn it in about a month. We'll turn it when all this stuff starts composting. We'll turn it. Then we'll wait 1 more month and we'll turn it and lime it and be ready to go. But it looks really good. This right here is about 1.5 acres. And on the other side there's probably about 3/4 of an acre that's done. And then we did on the other side of the property about 3/4 of an acre. But just finishing up. Looking really good. Left the mature trees. And just walking out of here. Any questions on what we can do or land management or consulting or anything, check us out, antlergrow.com.